Hi parents. We've gotten some feedback that it can be difficult to know where to look to find all of the assignments your teachers are posting. In this short video, I'm going to show you all of the places you'll need to look in the FACS management system to find any homework your teachers may have posted for your students. Remember, we're using the LMS system because it provides a place for your students to turn in homework. Rather than duplicate those assignments again within lesson plans, FACS allows those assignments to be linked. However, they show up under homework rather than lesson plans. Luckily, you can view your students' homework and lesson plans from the same screen. If you click on Student, and then you come up with this weekly summary, you can see at the top it says Homework by Date and then Lesson Plans. For my family, I just come to this page and first I click on Lesson Plans and Print Week for the lesson plans for all of my students, and then also click on Homework and Print Week again. Inside of the FACS Family Portal, this provides everything I need to see my children's homework for the week, including everything that's printed, everything that has been posted inside of the LMS system. So you should only have to go to this one screen, this weekly summary screen, to be able to access all of that information for your student. And then if you have additional students, you would just choose them from this drop-down menu and again, print the homework and print the lesson plans. I hope this is helpful. Of course, your students have their own LMS system where they can turn in their assignments, and these same homework assignments are posted, but as a parent, I only need to look in these two places to find everything that my students need to be doing over the course of the week. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at allen@theacademyok.org. Thanks.